Welcome to 180 Day 53, moving into the lifestyle phase. Are there any evenings where you just are getting a little bit hungry? Your metabolism is getting stronger and stronger, and you have to realize it's okay to be getting hungrier. You just have to be mindful to not let it go too long, because the longer we let our hunger go, the more we're going to be tempted to eat things that we shouldn't eat, we don't want to eat. And so I'm going to give you one of my absolute favorites at nighttime. You can have this any night you want, every night if you want it. And it tastes like dessert, and it is called an Oasis and Cinnamon Crepe. And so what I do, I've actually sprayed my pan. It's heated up already. And I'm going to put my serving of egg whites in. I know it by the pour. I've done it so many times. And as it's starting to cook, I'm going to sprinkle cinnamon. I'll go on the other side here. I'm going to sprinkle some cinnamon in here. And then, if you don't have any Oasis, you can certainly do a packet of Splenda or a non-nutritive sweetener in there to sweeten it up. But this tastes like blueberries and blackberries. I know I've chatted with you about it many times. So I love Oasis. It's also very calming in the evening. And so I like putting Oasis with it. And I'm going to put the whole packet of Oasis in here. And then I'm going to let it cook. And how I make it like a crepe is I don't scramble it like eggs. I wait until I can just let the liquid part cook through. And so it's going to take just a minute here. But I do want to talk to you about the word lifestyle. I've talked to you so many times about having a good relationship with food. And so if you haven't moved into the page in your packet that talks about the free meals, because you're like, okay, I don't need to do that. I'm going full out. I don't need the free meals. I want to encourage you now that it is a priority and it is a necessity that you start to take a free meal either once every week or two, or you set a goal where you get to have something free. Because there are things that are in life that we crave sometimes. And you have to not be hard on yourself. And also it will keep you from binging. It will keep you from having long stints of being off track, where you can simply just have a meal, enjoy a meal, not feel bad about it at all, and hop right back on where you're supposed to hop on without being hard on yourself. Because the more stress we have and the more doubt we have of the ability to get where we want to go, our body actually secretes hormones that don't help with our weight loss. And so we need to feel good about ourselves. We need to keep a positive attitude, and having a good, healthy relationship with food helps that to happen. And so that gave me just enough time for my crepe to be ready. And what I want you to see is that, look at that, it's all cooked through. I didn't even flip it. I haven't done anything. So I can actually flip it just like an omelet now, or I could have left it flat, but do you see how it's just all cooked through? And so I'm actually going to put it on this little plate right here. Voila. And this right here, you guys, is straight protein. There's no fat. There's no carbohydrates. It is just protein, and it tastes like just cinnamon and berries in a crepe. And so you can enjoy this in the evening. You could even enjoy it right before you're going to go to bed with a cup of tea, or just have some water with it, whatever you'd like, and enjoy if you've got some nighttime munchies. All right, I'll see you tomorrow.